Dear viewers, today we learn about hormonal regulation of glycogen metabolism. The hormones, through a complex series of reactions, bring about covalent modification, namely phosphorylation and dephosphorylation of enzyme protein, which ultimately control glycogen synthesis or its degradation. The hormones like epinephrine, norepinephrine, and glucagon activate adenylate cyclase to increase the production of cyclic AMP. The enzyme phosphodiesterase break down cyclic AMP. The hormone insulin increases the phosphodiesterase activity in liver and lowers the cyclic AMP level. The glycogenesis is regulated by glycogen synthase. This enzyme exists in two forms, that is glycogen synthase A, which is not phosphorylated and most active, and secondly glycogen synthase B as phosphorylated inactive form. Glycogen synthase A can be converted to B form by phosphorylation. The process of phosphorylation is catalyzed by cyclic AMP dependent protein kinase. Glycogen synthase B can be converted back to synthase A by protein phosphatase first. The inhibition of glycogen synthesis brought by epinephrine and glucagon through cyclic AMP by converting active glycogen synthase A to inactive synthase B. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.